Hi, it's Belinda. I just got some Happy Mail from Elliebeth Designs UK, so let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so it says stick the rainbow. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited. These are the new releases, and oh, they look really beautiful. Okay, so this is Rachel's card. So it says brighten up every day, Elliebeth Designs UK. Get a couple of nice samples, so little monthly trackers, which are great. Some little weekend banners, love these. And what have we got here? This is the dashboard that we get. Great, so pretty. Look at those colours, so bright and pretty. Okay, now for the exciting bit. So this one is called Fairy Magic, and it's so very pretty. So this is the mini weeks. Looks like it's got the frog prints. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm a little bit coarse in the throat. I'm just getting over the flu, so please excuse my croakiness. And we've got, oh, this is so pretty, the deco sheet. So pretty. I love little mushroom houses. So pretty. Okay, and then we have Little But Fierce. This is very pretty as well. So in this one we get some day dots, some days of the week, lots of different ones. So this is the days and dates sheet. Oh, nice weekend banner at the top. Such pretty colours, all the different pinks and greens. Very nice. And then we have the mixed event label sheet. I really love this floral washi. I love how all of Rachel's sticker sheets have a strip of washi down the side. So you've got lots of different ones, some really pretty patterned ones. And then we have some half boxes. Oh look, they're dragons. Oh, it's precious. So sweet. I really love the floral and the dragons together. It's such a lovely mix. Oh look, it's like a cracked egg and scales. Wow. This is just gorgeous. Love it. And then we have, oh, I'm going to jump to this one because it's so super cute. Here we go. Oh, look at these full boxes. This is just divine. Oh, these dragons, they're just so pretty. Goodness me. Wow. I love all the different colours. Oh, that's so cute. Cute as cute can be. And then we have the day-to-day life, Penguin Joe, heaps of cute little ones. So we've got Penguin Joe in a car, so I actually use this one for when I'm filling up my car with petrol, shopping, grabbing a coffee for a birthday or presents, doing your laundry, watching some Netflix maybe. Little to do. What else have we got? Work, taking the trash out, having a snooze. And then we've got for meal planning, I like this little wiggly lines, some laundry banners, and some bilges. It's a great one. Little words up here, shopping list on the menu, family time. So that's a great one for your little day-to-day things. And then, oh wow, look at this one. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this one is for in weeks. Let me just see if I can grab it. I think I do have it handy. Hold on. Let's get out our Hobonichi weeks, which I have here. So let's have a quick look. So I believe you can use it. So I think it's for in here. I think it's for this one. So you can put all your little headings on each of the months. Oh, it's really cute. And then this box can go over the top of here. Little rainbow box. Yeah, so it has everything you need to, you got your year banners here. So they go over each of these ones. And then you have all your little monthly ones to go over these. And then what have we got? Okay, so these ones are for these, which is slightly larger, and then on the 2019 and 2021 you have the smaller ones because these months are slightly smaller in size. And then we have the notes square, which fits over the top of here if you don't want to keep that. And then what have we got here? Then we have, is it a banner? It's like a banner going across the top. So what's that one for? Let's have a quick look. And then on our year at a glance, we have down here, we have the months of the year, which can go across the top here, I believe. So that's great. Wow, I love that. And it's so very pretty. All rainbow. Wow. Okay, I might do a little video when I set this up in my Hobonichi weeks. Okay, so all of this came in my creative planning team pack. Beautiful, thank you so much. And excuse me. And we're gonna have lots and lots of fun using these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stickers. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.